Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn how to translate complex philosophical concepts like transmutation into simple Tagalog terms. Let's dive in. Introduction. Philosophical ideas can be difficult because they use abstract words. One way to make them easier is to translate the meaning, not just the word. For example, the word transmutation means a deep change from one form, state, or condition into another. In simple Tagalog, transmutation can be explained as malalim na pagbabago, deep change, pagbabagong anyo, change of form, pagiging iba ng kalagayan, becoming a different state. Examples: English concept. Simple Tagalog. Transmutation, malalim na pagbabago. Transformation, pagbabagong anyo. Enlightenment, maliwanag na pag-unawa. Wisdom, karunungan. Reality, katotohanan. Example sentences: English, Tagalog. Number 1, transmutation changes a person's way of thinking. Ang malalim na pagbabago ay nagbabago ng paraan ng pag-iisip ng tao. Number 2, the philosopher described transmutation as becoming a better self. Inilarawan ng pilosopo ang malalim na pagbabago bilang pagiging mas mabuting tao. Number 3, knowledge can lead to personal transmutation. Ang kaalaman ay maaaring magdulot ng malaking pagbabago sa sarili. Number 4, the caterpillar's change into a butterfly is a symbol of transmutation. Ang pagbabago ng uod tungo sa paru-paro ay simbolo ng malalim na pagbabago. Dialogue. Teacher, what is transmutation? Student, is it a kind of change? Teacher, yes, it means a deep transformation from one state to another. Student, how can we say it in Tagalog? Teacher, we can say malalim na pagbabago or pagbabagong anyo. Student, can people experience transmutation? Teacher, yes, when a person gains wisdom and changes for the better, that can be considered transmutation. Tagalog version. Guro, ano ang transmutasyon? Mag-aaral, uri po ba ito ng pagbabago? Guro, oo, ito ay malalim na pagbabago mula sa isang kalagayan patungo sa iba. Mag-aaral, paano ito sasabihin sa Tagalog? Guro, maaari natin sabihin sa malalim na pagbabago o pagbabagong anyo. Mag-aaral, maaari bang maranasan ito ng tao? Guro, oo, kapag nagkaroon ng karunungan at nagbago para sa ikabubuti, maituturing itong transmutasyon. Quiz. A. Multiple choice. Number 1, what is the simplest Tagalog meaning of transmutation? A. Pagtakbo. B. Malalim na pagbabago. C. Pagkain. D. Pagtulog. What is the simplest Tagalog meaning of transmutation? It's letter B. Malalim na pagbabago. Number 2, which example shows transmutation? A. A student memorizes a word. B. A person grows wiser and changes their life. C. A child plays outside. D. A dog sleeps. Answer is letter B. Which example shows transmutation? A person grows wiser and changes their life. B. True or false? Number 3, transmutation means a deep transformation. Answer is, it is true. Number 4, the Tagalog word pagbabagong anyo can help explain transmutation. True or false? It is true. Letter C, fill in the blank. Number 5, transmutation can be translated as blank na pagbabago. Answer is, transmutation can be translated as malalim na pagbabago. Number 6, a butterfly is often used as a symbol of. Answer is, transmutation or malalim na pagbabago. A butterfly is often used as a symbol of transmutation or malalim na pagbabago. Discussion question. Why do you think philosophers use difficult words? And how can translating them into simple Tagalog help more people understand their ideas? Comment below. So, there you go guys. This video ends here about how to translate complex philosophical concepts like transmutation into simple Tagalog terms. Thanks for watching.